Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Copilot in Microsoft Forms. Whenever you need to collect information or need to do a survey, we can use a lightweight app, Microsoft Forms. Let me log into Microsoft Forms. Let me click on New Form. You can see that I am getting Draft with Copilot option because I also have Microsoft 365 Copilot license with me. Copilot in Forms is an AI-powered tool that helps you create surveys. You can see predefined prompts or you can also create your own prompts. Let me start with a predefined prompt. Create an employee feedback survey for HR department. So based on the prompt, I am getting the text for prompt which I can modify as per my requirement or I can write entirely new prompt. Let's click on generate. You can use a variety of questions, but you need to plan and design well, which consumes many hours. But now with the help of Copilot in Forms, you can do same in few minutes. By using large language models, it generates draft questions and suggestions based on the prompt. So based on our prompt, we got this set of questions. If you are not happy with the output, you can regenerate. Now you have two drafts, draft 2 and draft 1. Let's try some prompts. You can see that based on our prompt, we got some predefined departments. Build questions 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3 deleted now. You can see that based on our prompt, we got a question for the snacks in NPS format. So in this way, you can design beautiful survey forms using Copilot. Click on keep it. You can apply your desired theme. Let's say we take this. Now we can check preview for computer. Go back. Preview for mobile. Go back. Click on collect responses. After creating survey, you have to share link with others to get responses. So there are various options that you can play around. You can share link, or you can send invite to some people, or you can use QR code, or you can also place HTML on your web page. Let me share hyperlink with one of the user. Now you can see we have one response filled by one of the user. Beautiful graphical format. You can also sync result with Excel. If you have Copilot for Excel, you can further analyze with the help of Copilot. Click on present option. Here you will see all the responses that submitted by all the users as dashboard. Here you will see responses summary. So use Copilot in forms and make surveys faster. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website, which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.